Hey traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Today moving towards the open of tonight's London session. We are keeping an eye on risk currencies to the USD and gold to the USD. So at the moment we've seen the USD making another fight back after having a pretty seesawing day so far, after losing ground and now making ground. So we wanted to see if we see some true momentum and direction coming from London and through to New York, and if we're going to see some pullbacks develop from some of the main risk currencies to the dollar. So the Aussie at the moment we can see is breaking slightly lower, and we can see that support, very minor low, is about to be tested at 71.18, and then we do see a little bit more down below, which is not really true support at 70.93. So what we're looking to see is if this fast trend does confirm a break, and the same over to the euro. We want to see if sellers can maintain that momentum and maybe form a confirmed break of the fast trend. So that will possibly see a little bit of fight back from around this previous high at 1.1752, and that has come in for support 2 times before and is today as well at this stage. The pound is also following the same direction. We don't really have a fast trend break yet, and we will need to see a bit more direction to see if this run is going to come to an end. That is a failed high though, and it does line up with previous resistance up around that 31.70 to 31 sort of 80 area. So sorry, that goes up to 98, that area. So there is a fair bit of supply there, and that resistance failed high does line up quite nicely with that. So we'll see if we get some follow through. The trend still remains sharply higher at this stage. So from my point of view, we might be looking to see if this is a pullback, and if we do see a lower high that breaks a low after that, maybe something a little bit more is going on. But until then, we'll just have to give this a bit of time to work out. So markets never move in straight lines, as you can see quite visibly here. So we always do see pullbacks in trends. So we'll just keep an eye on this and see how it goes. Now, gold is under a similar cloud, and we're seeing that resistance really from 1975.75. We did have a good little move up higher this morning that got very close to, I think it did test the got to 1989.02. So, but buyers weren't able to hold that, and so far we've seen a pullback of just under 0.90% throughout the day. So for buyers, they really do need to close above firstly this 1975 level, and then secondly a break above 1983, and then of course we'd like to see a new high made just to show that there's continued momentum going. But that is quite a strong angle, a very nearly not vertical, but it's a very sharp angle going higher. So if we don't see buyers break and close above this level here, this resistance point, we could see a bit more selling interest develop, but we do need to be a little bit mindful of this strong bar here. So we'll see if we do get a lower close tonight to start indicating a shift in momentum. Finally, we'll just touch on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is holding out a little bit better at the moment compared to gold and some of the risk currencies to the USD. We're seeing a 0.84% gain, and we do have a fair bit of demand that's coming in from the 10.952 point all the way up to really the 11.083 point. So we're looking to see if that will continue to hold as demand and continue to feed buyers. If we do see a break below out of that area, again, it could be joining gold, and we could see a bit of a reversal in momentum. So that's it for now. I hope you have a fantastic end to the first week back of the trading week, and until tomorrow, good trading and bye for now.